Courtney Robertson, developer advocate for GoDaddy, and today we're building a website for a yoga studio. The studio is Breathe Yoga and Movement, an adaptive yoga and movement studio in Melbourne, Australia, owned by Priya Sharma, an Indian-Australian yoga instructor and accessibility advocate. The studio offers different types of yoga, and we've gathered that information from her, written all of this out. We're doing this in a way that's designed for everybody and every ability level. I've included things like I want a hero section and book a class. I've copied my prompt and we're going to give it to Airo, AI builder, and let's see what it comes back with. It looks like our site's well on its way. I love how the pricing page is lined up. I like the inquire option that's there. Let's clear the cookie message while we do this. And let's change out what other font styles can you offer me? Also, those are like two different colors of green there in the buttons, so I want to change those up. Button alignment is unusual. Can you center them within that row and select colors that aren't so similar? It's come back with a few more options for us in the fonts. I think this one looks a little better. We'll apply that. We've changed the font. Now I'm going to tweak the color scheme. Let's see what other options we get. I'm going to select this one, hit save. I want to adjust that hero design section, so I'm going to allow it to start through that process. I'd like to move around other sections on the homepage. I like this information about Priya. Move that below the classes area. This is looking a lot better. I still really love the photos that are there. We're seeing a wide amount of variety of people. Got some testimonies from customers. I'm not wild about the pricing background right after the testimonials. So let's make the button color in the hero image match the theme palette. Great. Airo AI Builder has come back with those things. You can see the button colors now match. Our background on our classes are white, which I like, with the color on the card itself. About Priya is below, and what the community says. I still want to change up the pricing versus the testimonies. The review came back and it shows that a lot of the considerations that I've asked for are absolutely applied. Skip links, HTML structure, etc. on the accessibility. That's fantastic. It's refined a couple of things along the way, and I'm ready to go on to add more to the other pages. All right, let's take a look at how these other pages look now. Here's our class schedule. I love how that's lined up. What does book do? I need you to create a booking form for attendees with a cap of 12 people per session. It has come back with the booking, and that form was created quickly and completely. It knows that we've got a 12-person capacity, and it's got the entire class schedule from our class page. Notice that it tells you how many spots are left. It allows you to select the pricing option that fits your needs and let them know if you have any kind of accessibility needs or special requirements, and then select Reserve My Spot. All right, before we finally deploy this thing, let's take a quick look at the settings under the chat. Let's take a look at Publish. Let's see what it looks like to prepare for launch. Quality assurance, scan for any other issues, accessibility issues, do a security scan, SEO optimization, social media posts, blog content. So quality assurance found 7 issues with the booking page, things that need to be fixed, and some call to action functionality. Let's hit fix on all of those. Form validation is a fix. Call to action also should be fixed. Once you're all the way happy with everything, you can publish your app. Once your app is published, you can click to set up your custom domain. You could also get to those same settings under the project settings and the domain area as well. So you can change out this information, purchase a domain with us, and publish the app. I also really like under the project settings that I can download all the files from my project, get an entire zip archive of it as well. Thanks so much for joining us. I look forward to seeing you again soon